Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Powershell and positioning where text should run. Once the console is active, enable Quick Edit or use a host that supports Ctrl+V. This saves time and prevents accidental input. Make sure the clipboard holds plain text so commands paste cleanly. Otherwise, unexpected characters break scripts. If you need to paste multiple lines, set the cursor where execution should begin. These first steps set the stage so you paste reliably and avoid immediate syntax errors. Now paste the content and watch how PowerShell reacts. If using the terminal, prefer Ctrl+V or right-click Paste. If the host executes immediately, paste into the integrated scripting environment or Visual Studio Code to inspect first. Once pasted, check for line breaks, stray characters, or encoding issues. These often cause runtime errors. Execute in logical blocks. Run setup commands first, then the main script, so you isolate failures and understand which section needs correction before proceeding. Finish by running the remaining commands and verifying outputs with get or test cmdlets. This confirms the paste executed as intended. If something fails, don't panic. Reopen the original file in a plain text editor, remove byte order marks or hidden characters, and paste again. When problems persist, enable tracing or start a transcript to capture errors and context. These debugging steps give you diagnostic detail, so you can identify the offending line and complete the task cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.